Yo, what is going on, fellas? 8:46 on a Sunday morning in Michigan. As you can tell, it's a beautiful day, our first actual snowfall. We had snow a few times now, but not like this, you know, where you have to get the shovels out, you know what I mean? Where you got the salt trucks and the, what do you call them? I can't think of the word right now, where they shovel the roads. Damn, I'm having brain fog. Anyways, my first time driving the car in snow today. I stayed at a friend's house, so it wasn't garaged. I was a little afraid. My first time driving a rear wheel drive in the snow, and honestly it was a lot of fun. It actually put a smile on my face, so it was a lot of fun. I do have Michelin X-Size snow tires on here, so it drove pretty darn well. Not the point of the video today. I will take it out on the drive. I have 2 new parts I got for Black Friday. I got some overlays, like smoked overlays for this right here, but I'm not going to do that until I park it in the garage and let it dry and heat up. I think it's too cold and stuff for it, so I'll put it on later on my own and post it on another video. But what we do have, and one of my biggest gripes with this car, is the side mirrors. I think the side mirrors are awful. Like, I can't see anything. I just don't think you can see enough. I got a couple tools just in case. I don't know if anything happens. You feel me? Oh, I stalled trying to get out in my driveway. Like I said, this is my first time driving a rear wheel drive in the snow. For the past 4 years, I've driven a Toyota 4Runner, which is an all-wheel drive truck, right? So this is like a complete 180 in the type of car. Unfortunately, our driveways are not plowed, or our whatever plow is the word I'm looking for. Plowed, they're not plowed. So to get out of the neighborhood, I have to, you know, I could speed up. We're just gonna lose traction. This actually puts a smile on my face. I was afraid of driving this. I actually drove it because I have winter tires, so it stops really well. The only concern I really had was losing traction while accelerating, which is normal, I guess. But the oversteer, I think it's called oversteer, right? The oversteer is actually, oh, this car actually corrects the oversteer really easily. I don't know if it's a car or it's the winter tires I have, but as soon as I start oversteering, this car, like, it adjusts itself. So I never like feel like I'm gonna hit like another car yet. This is my first day on the snow, or fall into a ditch. And as you guys can see with the side mirrors, you really can't. On this side it's fine because I can turn my head, right? I can see behind me. But on my left, bro, I'm gonna stop real quick. It stops. I'm gonna stop real quick right here. But if you look to the left here, you can see, I mean, obviously you can see the blind spots, but I'd rather be safe, you know, better safe than sorry. I like to turn my head, and bro, if you turn your head, maybe on a camera you can see it, but bro, I cannot see anything past this, right? That small mirror in the back is not visible for the driver, so I can't see anything. Even like I have to put my head like against the window to even kind of see it. Over here, you can this window side mirror is better than the window, like sticking your head to the side, and that doesn't make me feel confident. So I'd rather have the wide angles I haven't put on yet to see more, so that when I turn my head, I can still glance at the mirror and I'm still feel good about it. So we're gonna actually pull up somewhere in a parking lot to test out. I want to test out driving this in the snow and the side mirror and install it. So we're gonna, yeah, see, that was easy. Now God bless the city for actually plowing the roads bright and early on the Sunday morning. But with the winter tires, once I get traction of the road and I'm going, like I'm not just slamming the throttle, I'm going almost as fast as some SUVs. Like I feel like I'm chilling. We're gonna pull into this plowed plaza. It looks like they plowed this plaza. Oh, it looks like they're still plowing it. Oh, my bad. My bad, brother. I actually like sliding. It puts a smile on my face, bro. Oh. So don't do this. There's no one on the road. That's why I'm doing that. Okay. We're gonna go over here. Scraping the bottom of my car. with all the snow making me cringe. Am I a fucking asshole for parking in the middle of like 5 spots? Maybe. Is anyone gonna be here? No. I should be okay. Well, I guess I don't want people in the Coney grill to be staring at me, so we're gonna fix ourselves. We're gonna face the other way. Maybe get some Indian groceries on the way out, you know? Okay. We're gonna face this way and do it. Okay. So, like I said, I have to figure out how to take these out. I don't want to do that. Those are fine, but since I got a set, might as well, right? So let's get these out. Wide angle heated mirrors. Heated is very important when you live in the Midwest and it snows every other day, pretty much. How to get this open? It's not a good start. I can't get this open. Okay. We got R and we got L. We're gonna do L first because that's the most important side in case I run into any issues. So I also got the blue tint because I swear to God, if you're driving on the roads nowadays, you know every new car, their headlights are built with the power of the goddamn sun, bro. Like, it is so bright without their highlights on, I can't see shit. Don't stare at me, lady. Let me do my thing. Just for the sake of testing, from my driver's side, you can see kind of the car, and this is how it's gonna be set up, right? So we can see a little past that pole right there, okay? We're gonna put the new ones on and then test the difference. I've seen videos of people doing this where they just pull it out and yank it. That makes me a little uncomfortable. So we're gonna turn it all the way and then I'm gonna yank it out. Oh shit, I don't know if that's a bad idea. Oh, okay, there's clips over here too. God damn it.
It's not quite as bright and...
Okay, first step. We gotta take these off. That's the first step. Okay, so these aren't actually clips. Wait, what? Yo, I feel like I'm forcing them out. Like, it's just not good. Bro, dude, these do not come out, bruh. What the fuck? What do you mean? Oh fuck. I don't like that sound. Ah. How did he take the clip out? He just fucking yanked it out of there, bro? Okay. I wasn't prepared for the next step. Shit. Oh, god damn it. Alright.
In your face. Now we can take our new mirror. We can plug it in.
This it's funny because this is not even the same brand.
Line that up with the first tab and then line up the rest. And
mine did not pop like that, bro. I had to use my full goddamn force. Okay, alright. Whatever.
now we just need to get the new mirror in there, make sure the mounting tabs line up, and then press it into place.
Oh. What the fuck? Alright. Okay. Let's do this shit. Alright, first, this has to be connected. How do I know if it's connected? No idea. Does it click? It doesn't click. Did I fuck it up by yanking it out? Probably. But there's no mechanism for a release or anything. There's no release. I guess you just plug it in and hope for the goddamn best, huh? Well, I guess I'll find out if I need to defrost my mirrors and they don't work. Okay. Wow, this is easier said than done because so I line up that clip and that clip. No, that was not it. What? That's it. That's it. Before we do the one on the right, let's make sure this is. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to review the footage, but can you guys see the difference, bro? So remember, I can see a little bit of my car, right? So this is our baseline. Regardless if I went like this or that, even if I went like this, as much as I can see before on my old mirrors, I think it was like this, right? Up to that pole, pretty much. So now if I don't need to see the side of my car, but I can see all the way to that tree right there. I can see that tree. That should be enough to see my blind spot, right? From this car all the way to that curve, pretty much, that tree. That's pretty darn good. That's pretty good. I just gotta microfiber wipe it off because I have my fingerprints all over it. Now, is it on all the way? I just gotta make sure it's on all the way. I think so. I have a little bit of an OCD where I have to make sure it's perfect, or else I'm just... Cause look, you can push it upwards, but this doesn't give you an option to. I wonder if I'm fucking it up by doing that. Maybe it has to be down a little more. Like that. I don't know. What the fuck? Oh, you can't go up. Oh, I'm fucking tripping, dude. Oh my god. Okay. It was, dude, I swear it was not working, but okay. So we can go up. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Right, you do it once, you can do it again. I pretty much just had to yank him out. Like, yo, the way he did it was so easy. Yeah, see, my clips were not easy to take out, and then I feel like I fucked it up. No release mechanism. God damn, my hands are cold. I got like water all over them and the wind is blowing. Okay. I'll be fine. Damn. All right. Hey, yo. Can we like... Toyota, Subaru, can we not like fucking make it so difficult to remove these? And it doesn't help that my hands, I need to like warm it up for every 20 seconds I'm doing this. Okay, I would use my back to block the wind. Yeah, there is legitimately no release mech. Yo, these are like glued in, bro. Like what? The other ones were so much easier to take out. Damn, boys. Oh, fuck. Damn. I think yo, look, they're bent. These are bent. Not that I'll ever need to put these back on. I mean, just in case the wide angles don't heat up, I guess, but fuck, it took so much force. These are fucking bent, bro. Holy shit. Okay, I need a warm break. Should've brought some hand warmers for this. Damn. I'm moving south. Fuck this shit, dude. Golly. Oh, nah, and my socks are wet. Ugh. Oh. Oh, fuck. Okay, y'all think these are good? Probably. Okay, I think those are good. Fuck. Ah, shit. Damn, my socks are wet. Got some soggy ass socks. I gotta make sure these are on completely. And now that they are, oh fuck. Fucking Niagara Falls in my fucking shoes. Okay. Shit. Oh. See, people say it should be panoramic, right? It should match with your... Now I feel like I need to replace these to match, but oh well. So people say don't set it up with being able to see the side of your car, but I think I like to be able to see the side of my car just so I know I'm not missing anything. Like, I want a FOMO on my side mirrors, you know? So like this, like I can't see my, sure I can see more, but I can't see my car. I feel like I might be missing something. I like to see the side of my car so that I at least know the distance from my car and from whatever I'm at. If I can't see my car, I don't know what I'm looking at. Like, how close are they to my car? Like, relatively. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I need to see the relative distance to my car. I don't need the right side because I just turn my head and I'm like, oh, okay, there's no one there. This side is the tricky side, right? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Let's go. Let's fucking go. How long did that take? I don't know. Shit. See on these other ones? There's this. What the fuck is this, dude? Whatever. Man, they plowed these roads too good to have any fun on the roads. Which is good. Stay safe, drive safe. But I'm only doing it because there's like no one on the road. We got people shopping at Target and shit. Of course, got to get your holiday shopping in. Late Black Friday shoppers. Black November nowadays. Kicking up all that salt underneath my car. Hell yeah. How to destroy your car at 101. No, I don't know. I don't know. I did rust proof it. But yeah, we can see. Let there be more angle. Now we have big angle. Gone are the days of small angle. Now we have big angle. Big angle mirrors. Soon, I'll put the side markers on, and we're replacing the stick shift or the shifter knob, shift knob, the butt plug with a bigger butt plug. Spit into some fucking mailboxes? No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Yo, this shit is more fun than driving on fucking dry roads. How the hell, bro? No! Oh. Once I do it once, we'll be good. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, see, it looks perfect until you realize the bottom was not covered all the way. See, holy fuck. Let's try this again. Like, I don't think I can do any better. I'm not even kidding, guys. This is the best I can fucking do, okay? Holy shit. I think it looks pretty good. You can't tell, okay? It looks good. Like, the smoked out, like, I didn't even mind what the orange looked like, but the smoke out look kind of matches, like, the black, kind of black. So, I know for sure that not wrapping cars was a great career to not get into. Wrapping cars was definitely not a career I should have done, and I'm glad I didn't do that. If I had to wrap a car, bro, oh my god, this would piss me off. There you go. Yeah, I think it looks good. And if you have anything to say about it, fuck you. After like a fucking 1,000 years of doing this shit, it is finally on, and I think it looks great. Let me know what you guys think. Let's check out the other side. The other side, I was able to first try it. A little hard to see, but yes sir, it looks clean. Cope or not, if you say anything about it, I will smack you in game.